morning, my little lovers. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. I'm so excited to get this week started. So I'm going to jump right into the handwriting. So today is the 6th of April 2020. It's Monday, which means yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Today we are doing the F, as you can see on the board, but before we start, as always, we are just going to exercise our finger muscles so that they stay nice and strong and we can write very neatly. Now today, as I said, we are doing the F, and it starts in the top line, in the headline, because it's a head letter and it takes 2 lines. Now we start in the place where the curlicle would start, so I start over there. I'm going to go up, back around, straight down over 2 lines. I lift and then I cross on the line. I don't know if you guys can see my lines, they are very faint. Teacher will redo them for the next video. Alright, so then I'm not going to skip a line for the capital F because it also takes 2 lines, it's a capital letter and it is a head letter. So I'm going to start at the top, I'm going to go straight down, lift, on the top line, straight across, on the middle line, straight across. And remember that you need to have 2 finger spaces in between each letter. We are then going to do a row of the 2 next to each other so that you can see what they look like and what is the difference. So as we said, it takes 2 lines. Each of them take 2 lines and both of them are head letters, so they're going to be in the same lines. So I'm going to start where the curlicle starts. I'm going to go up, back around, straight down over 2 lines. I'm going to lift and cross on the line. I'm then going to start at the top for the capital. I'm going to go straight down, lift, across on the top line, across on the middle line. Remember to have 2 finger spaces in between each letter. Now, oh my goodness, again, there are no names that start with a F in our class, so a teacher wrote a random sentence. Fred finds a few flies, full stop. So we have Fred, it's the name of a child. It is also the start of a sentence, so it gets a capital F. And then we end our sentence with the full stop because it's a sentence, all right? We're then going to head straight into our wave pattern because this is the pattern that we use to make the F. And I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to go up, round, stop, back around, up, round, stop, back around, up, round, stop, and I'm going to fill my line with the pattern. Remember not to lift your hand so that you get a proper pattern. The next thing we're going to be doing is weekend news. So every Monday we do weekend news and you tell me a little bit about your weekend. So teacher wants to hear what you did this weekend, all the exciting things you did. If it was boring like mine, guess what? You tell me. Teacher, it was so boring. I had no fun. All I did was watch TV. I was a complete couch potato. That's okay too. Teacher had a lovely weekend actually. I cleaned house and then I painted 2 portraits. So I'm very proud of myself because I'm not an artist, as you know, and I thought they came out quite lovely. Teacher might just show you a photo later. Alright, I'll see you again for the maths.